This is the Barfly 400. We have two products in this family. We have the Barfly 400 and the Barfly 200. We've added a D to that name. So it's a Barfly 400D, the Barfly 200D. The D stands for dimming. But there's some other things to it that are nice. We used to have a remote ballast, the same as a KinoFlo 4-bank or 2-foot 4-bank, and then that particular remote ballast would operate a Barfly 400 head or a 200 head. What we have now is a system where we built the electronics into the head, so now it doesn't have a remote ballast. It has the dimming capability, but it also has a couple other features. It's power factor corrected, which means it takes a lot less power, a lot less AC to run this. So whereas before it was maybe 4 amps, now you're down to about 2 amps of power to operate the Barfly 400D. It's also universal. Like I talked about with the Celeb, you can run it in a 100-volt market in Japan. You can turn it on in let's say, Australia at 240 volts. It's going to operate in any market that you have to shoot in. So basically, like the Celeb, it's high output, flicker free, color correct, and you have control features, dimming control features, universal, and power factor correction. Again, we've basically taken the original successful Barfly model that we introduced a few years ago, and we've added, or let's say it's incorporated onboard electronics, and that's really made it popular with customers who want to keep all the electronics together with the light source itself. So now we have a solid operating platform for the DevaLight 400D, the the Barfly 400D, and the Barfly 200D. The two main products we have now are also kittable. You can put them into kits. We have a single light kit for the Barfly 400, and we have a 2 light kit for the Barfly 200D.